Hello and welcome to today's math lesson. So first of all guys, can we all turn to wave and say a big hello to our friends on camera?
Hello.
Hello. And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So I will sit down, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our lap and close our eyes. Excellent guys, and when you're ready you can open your eyes and come back to the room, okay? And next we'll do our stretching sequence, so let's stand up and push in our chairs. And we'll begin by stretching up high to the sky. And then let's go down low, touch our toes. And now we'll go back up high. And this time, can we go tippy toe high? And when we're there, give a wave. And then back down to touch our toes. And then stand up. And now we'll rotate, we'll go left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Excellent. Shake it out. Shake it out. Now we'll do 5 stretches to our left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent guys. And then we'll do 5 stretches to our right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. And to finish, we will do 5 star jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent guys, have a seat. So who can remember what we learnt about in math class last time?
Division.
Correct, we learnt about division. So I will write that word on the board. D-I-V-I-S-I-O-N. Division.
Division.
And in the last lesson, what did we learn about it?
3 digits by 1 digit using non-division.
With remainders. Excellent guys, well remembered. Division of 3. 3 digits by 1 digit. Excellent. Using, what method have we been using? Using long division. L-O-N-G. D-I-V-I-S-I-O-N. Excellent. And remember, in the last lesson, we had some numbers left over at the end. With W-I-T-H-R-E-M-A-I-N-D-E-R-S. Division of 3 digits by 1 digit using long division with remainders. And when we use long division, how many steps do we have? 4. Can we remember them? Step number 1, divide. Excellent. I-V-I-D-E. Step 2, multiply. M-U-L-T-I-P-L-Y. Excellent. Step number 3, subtract. Excellent. And then our final step, we bring down. B-R-I-N-G. D-O-W-N. Divide. Multiply. Subtract. And bring down. Excellent. So what I'd like now, I'd like a volunteer who will come and help me. Prayer will come and join me at the front. We're going to recap the last lesson where we did 3 digits by 1 digit with long division and using remainders. Okay, so Prayer, what color would you like?
Blue.
Blue, okay. So what we will do first, I will write the problem. We will have, let's see, 3-digit number. How about that one? 343 divided by 2. So
343 divided by 2.
excellent. So step number 1, guys. Divide. 3 divided by 2 equals 1. And then multiply.
2
Times 1 equals 2. And then we can subtract.
3 minus 2 equals 1.
And now we're ready for our next step.
Bring down.
What number do we bring down? We bring down 4. So 4 becomes 14. So next we repeat the process. We then go 14 divided by 2 equals 7. 2 times 7 equals 14. Now we're ready for step 3. Subtract. 14 minus 14, 0. Excellent. And now we're ready for our next step. Bring down. We bring down number 3. 3 divided by 2 equals 1. 1 times 2 equals 2. 3 minus 2 equals 1. So now we're left with 1. And we're at the end of our number. We have no more numbers to bring down. What do we do with number 1? R1. Perfect. So we can say 171 remainder 1. So altogether, guys, 343 divided by 2 equals 171 remainder 1. Pearl, is that correct?
Yes.
Are you happy with that?
Yes.
High five. That was excellent. Big round of applause for Pearl. And just so that we remember completely, we're going to do one more example on the board before we move on. So who would like to help me this time? Lakau, come and join me. I'll rub off this problem off the board. Okay. Lakau, what pen would you like to work with? Blue. Okay, so first of all, we need a problem. So I will write $567 divided by 4. Okay, so first thing we need to do, we need our division table. Excellent. 567 divided by 4. Okay, so step number 1, divide. 5 divided by 4 equals 1. So we'll write 1 on top. Next we multiply. 4 times 1 equals 4. Excellent, guy. 5 minus 4 equals 1. So we're now ready to bring down. What number do we bring down? And because we have 1, 6 becomes 16. So next we look at 16 divided by 4 equals 4. Excellent. 4 times 4, multiply, equals 16. Now we're ready for stage number 3. 16 minus 16 equals 0. Perfect. Now, Laka, what's next? We have to bring down. What number do we bring down? 7. Okay. So 7 divided by 4 equals 1. And now, multiply 4 multiplied by 1 equals 4. Next we subtract. 7 minus 4 equals 3. Okay, so now we're left with 3. Exactly, no more numbers to bring down. So what do we do with 3? R3. 141 R3. So altogether, guys, 567 divided by 4 equals 141 remainder 3. Laka, is that correct?
Yes.
Are you happy with that?
Yes.
Brilliant, that was excellent. Big round of applause for Laka. A round of applause for everyone for remembering, guys. That was great. And now, what we're going to do, we're going to move on a stage further. We're not going to be dividing 3 digits, and today we're not going to be using remainders. Can anybody guess what we're going to do? 4 digits by 1 digit. So let's see, let's write that in black. Today we are going to look at division of 4 digits by 1 digit using long division. Okay guys, so what we'll do now is we'll all turn our chairs to have a look at the TV screen, because we have a video which will help us remember about long division with 4 digits. So turn our chairs to the TV screen, guys. So let's take a look at our video about long division.
Long division, 3-digit dividend. In this lesson, we will learn how to divide a 3-digit dividend by a 1-digit divisor using long division. In this expression, 822 is the dividend, which is the amount we have, and 3 is the divisor. which is the number we are dividing by. With division, we are asking, how much is in each group if we want to evenly divide 822 among 3 groups?
822 divided by 3.
To start this division, we draw the long division symbol, and then we write our dividend, 822, inside it, and our divisor, 3, on the left of it. When performing long division, we carry out 4 steps with every digit in the dividend. First, we divide.
Divide.
Then we multiply.
Multiply.
And then we subtract.
Subtract.
And finally, we bring down the next digit from our dividend until we have no more digits to bring down. Let's see this operation in action.
So first step, guys,
We begin with the digit in the largest place value in our dividend, which is 8. And we try and divide it by our divisor.
8 divided by 3.
Can we evenly divide 8 by 3? How many 3's are in 8?
2.
2 3's are the most number of 3's that fit into 8, because 3 3's is a 9, and that is bigger than 8. So 2 becomes the first digit in our quotient. We write a 2 above the 8 from our dividend. Now, as we've learned, after we divide, we multiply.
Multiply 2 times 3.
So we take the digit we wrote in the quotient and multiply it by our divisor, 3. 2 times 3 equals 6.
Equals 6.
We write 6 below the 8, the number we divided. Our third step is to
Subtract.
subtract. 8 minus 6
Equals 2.
2. After subtracting,
Now we're ready
we
for stage
notice
4.
that we cannot evenly divide 2 by 3. So, we bring down the next digit from our dividend. Bring down the 2.
And 2 becomes
Now we
22.
have 22. And we use it as the new dividend. We repeat the 4 steps again. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down.
So 22 divided by 3. 7.
How many 3's are in 22?
7. We just said.
7 3's are the most number of 3's that fit into 22.
Makes 21.
8 3's is 24. And that is bigger than 22. So 7 becomes the second digit in our quotient. We write 7 above the 2 from our dividend.
And then
Now we multiply.
7
We
times
take
3.
7 and multiply it by our divisor, 3.
21.
7 times 3 equals 21. And we write 21 below 22. The number
Now we subtract 22 minus 21.
22 minus 21 equals 1.
Equals 1. And now we're ready
Now
to
we notice that we cannot evenly divide 1 by 3. So we bring down the next and the last digit from our dividend. We bring down the 2. Now we have 12.
12.
We will repeat our 4-step process one more time.
12 divided by 3
What is the result of dividing 12 by 3?
equals
12
4.
divided by 3 equals 4, right? So, we write 4 above 2, the last digit we brought down from the dividend. The second step is to multiply. 4 times 3 equals 12.
Equals 12. 12 minus 12
Step is to subtract. 12 minus 12 equals 0. Notice that we've used all of the digits from our dividend.
So we
Since
have our answer.
No more digits to bring down, we stop. Notice that the result of the last subtraction we performed was 0. So we have no remainder. And our answer is in the quotient.
274.
274.
So we can say 822
822
divided by 3
divided by 3
equals
equals
274.
274.
Any questions, guys? That was well done, brilliant. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the tutorial video of how to divide 3 digits by 1 digit using long division. And what we're going to do in this lesson is we're going to do 4 digits by 1 digit, but it's the same process, just 1 digit more, and I will demonstrate how to do it now. So guys, can somebody give me a 4-digit number?
3636
Divided by 3. Okay, 3,636 divided by 3. So first thing I need to do my division table. 3,636 divided by 3. Okay, so step 1, 3 divided by 3. 1. 3 times 1 equals 3. Subtract 3 minus 3 equals 0. Excellent. So now we're ready to bring down number 6. So now 6 divided by 3, 2. 3 times 2 equals 6. Times 6 minus 6 equals 0. So now we'll bring down number 3. And we just carry on doing the same process. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 minus 3 equals 0. Finally, we bring down our final number. 6. 6 divided by 3 2. 3 times 2 equals 6. 6 minus 6 equals 0. Any more numbers to bring down?
No.
Any remainders?
No.
So we have our answer. 1,212. So we can say 3,636 divided by 3 equals 1,212. And this is division of 4 digits by 1 digit using long division. Understand, guys? Excellent, well done. And now it's time for our stretch sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And we'll begin by walking on the spot. Jogging on the spot. Stop. Turn left. Turn left again. Turn left. And left. Hello. Jogging on the spot. Stop. Jogging on the spot. Quickly. Stop. Stop. Jogging on the spot. Stop. Turn right. Turn right again. Right again. And right. Hello. And let's go down into a ball. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, jump! Excellent, guys, have a seat. And now it's time for our flashcards activity. So teachers, you will need to print off the flashcards for this lesson and cut the division problems into individual problems. And what we will do now is we will have a board activity where we will invite a few students forward to work out the problems on the flashcard. So who would like to go first, guys? Pat, excellent, you can come forward. Come and join me at the front. And then you can stand there. And then you can choose a flashcard. Okay, and show it to your friends. 4,220 divided by 2. Okay, so I will hold that for you, Pat. First thing we need to do is our division table. Excellent. So 4,220 divided by 2. Okay, so we just follow the same process we always do with long division. Step 1, divide. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. So we write 2 on top. Next, it's time to multiply. 2 times 2 equals 4. So we can write 4 here. Excellent, Pat. Subtract. Excellent. 4 minus 4 equals 0. And we're now ready to bring down. So we bring down 2 into 2 divided by 2 equals 1. So we can write 1 on top. Next we multiply. 2 times 1 equals 2. So we write 2 here. Next it's time to subtract.
2 minus 2
equals 0. And now we're ready to
bring down.
And what number do we bring down? 2. We have another 2. So 2 comes down again to here. Excellent, Pat. Doing very well. And we just follow the process. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. So you can write 1 on top. And then 2 times 1 equals 2. So we can write 2 here.
2 minus 2
Equals 0. Excellent, Pat. So now we're ready to bring down again. What's our final digit?
0.
0. So let's bring down 0. 0 divided by 2
Equals 0.
equals 0. We cannot do it. So 0 goes in here. And even though we've got 0, we'll still do the process just to show. 2 times 0
Equals 0.
equals 0. So we write 0 here. 0 minus 0
Equals 0.
equals 0. So now we're at the end. Do we have any more numbers to bring down?
No.
Do we have any remainders?
No.
So therefore we have our answer. Are you ready, Pat? 2,110
110.
is our answer. So altogether, guys, 4,220
20.
divided by 2
Divided by 2
equals 2,110.
110.
Pat, that was excellent. And can we just finish with a little comma in between the thousands and the hundreds? Excellent. High five. And a big round of applause for Pat. Okay, so now we're going to do one more. Who would like to join me at the front? Chu, excellent, come and join me. What I'll do, I'll rub off the previous problem, and can you choose a problem? Excellent, and show it to your friends. Let's see. 500 divided by 5. Okay. 1,500 divided by 5. Chu, over to you. First of all, we need to draw our division table. So can you draw your division table? Excellent. And inside we will write our 4-digit number. 500. 1500. And the number we are dividing by will go outside. Okay, so now we just begin our long division process again. 1 divided by 5. 0. We cannot do it, so we'll write 0 on top. Next, we multiply. 5 times 0 equals 0. So we'll write 0 in here. 0 goes there. Excellent. Now we're ready to subtract. 1 minus 0 equals 1. So we can write the 0 sign here. Sorry, the minus sign. That's it. And then 1 minus 0 equals 1. 1 minus 0 equals 1. Perfect. Now, what are we ready to do, guys? Bring down. So let's bring down 5 to here. Write 5 here, too. Excellent. So now, we're not just dealing with 5, we're dealing with 15. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. So we have our answer for this column. You can write 3 here. 5 times 3 equals 15. So we can write 15 at the bottom. 15. Yes, 1, 5. And what are we ready to do now, guys? Subtract. So we can write our minus sign. 15 minus 15 equals 0. Excellent, guys. So we have our answer here too, 0. And what happens next? We bring down. What do we have to bring down? 0. So let's bring 0 and 0 down here. We can bring them both down together. 0, and 0 again. Okay, so let's now do it. 5, 0 divided by 5 equals 0. So we can write 0 twice here. And again, you can write another 0 because there's 2 zeros. Excellent. Next, 0 times 5 equals 0. So now, let's write 2 more zeros here. Excellent, Shu. And now, we subtract 0 minus 0 equals 0. So we can write 0 again here. When we're using zeros, you'll see a lot of zeros in long division. Perfect. Any remainders? Do we have our answer? Yes, yes we do. We need our comma here. Can you do your comma there too? And here too, comma there. So what's our answer, guys? 300. So we can say 1,500 divided by 5 equals 300. 2. Is that right? Are you happy with it? High five. Big round of applause for Chu. Great job. A great round of applause for everybody doing such a great job. Well done, guys. And now it's time for our worksheet activity. So teachers, you will need to print out one worksheet for each of the students in your class. And what our students need to do, similar to the flash activity we practiced earlier, is work out the 4 digits by 1 digit using long division. Okay, guys? And what's the first thing we need to do? Write our names on top. So give our students around 12 to 15 minutes should be enough because there are 6 different division problems. So Nadia, this one's for you. Down for you. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome, guys. You're welcome. So let's do the first one together. What's the first 4-digit number we have? 2,120 divided by 2. Okay. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 minus 2 equals 0. Excellent, guys. So there's our first column. Now we bring down 1.
1 divided by 2 equals 0.
Cannot do. Yes, it's 2 is greater than 1, so we can't do it. So we'll write 0 on the top. 2 times 0 equals 0.
1 minus 0 equals 1. Bring down 2.
Let's bring down 2 from the next column. Now we're not just dealing with 2, we're dealing with 12. 12 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. So what do we write here? 6. 2 equals 12.
12 minus 12 equals 0.
Equals 0. And what's our final digit? Bring down 0. 0 divided by 2 equals 0. 2 times 0, 0 minus 0 equals 0. So therefore, we have our answer. 2,120 divided by 2 equals 1060 using our long division method. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed working out their worksheet problems, and what we've done here is we've done a very good job in our class, so well done guys. So for the final time before closing, today we learnt about division of 4 digits by 1 digit using long division. And when using long division, our 4 steps are divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Excellent, well done guys. And that's the end of today's lesson. So we hope you've enjoyed it, found it interesting and had some fun too. And we'll see you again soon for the next lesson. So can we turn to wave and say goodbye? Goodbye. Bye bye. See you again soon.